There's an obvious crater in the landscape here in Mexico, but it's not so much the crater that catches my attention, it's what's inside this crater.
This is intriguing because what we're seeing is this white color, and boy, it sure does look like ice.
It's so unusual because we're talking about Mexico, and this white patch stays here all year round.
Which, when viewed from above, mirror the Ursa Major constellation. To NASA's Kasha Patel, this extraterrestrial connection may be more than just coincidence.
This crater reminds me of something, but it's not on Earth. This crater looks pretty similar to the Korolev crater on Mars.
The Korolev crater in the northern lowlands of Mars contains enough water ice to fill almost 1 billion Olympic swimming pools.
Most of the ice found elsewhere on Mars is mixed with frozen carbon dioxide, but it appears that the icy regions in the Korolev crater are composed of more pure water.
What stops the ice from melting during Mars's 70-degree Fahrenheit daytime temperatures is a process called cold trapping.
Cold air goes into the crater and it forms sort of an insulating layer, so any of the water gets trapped there as water ice. Could we be seeing the same process in action in this image?
But our planet's atmosphere is 100 times thicker than on Mars, creating swirling winds which prevent cold trapping from taking place here in Mexico.
The Earth has a very dynamic atmosphere that tends to even out the environment. So this is something very different that we're looking at.
According to those who live nearby, the crater did once contain water, but it was bleach-like and killed everything it touched. To geologists, this suggests the mystery white substance is the legacy of a catastrophically powerful volcanic event.
This means the water inside this crater is extremely alkaline. That tells me that this is most likely sodium bicarbonate. It's very broad, but it's very shallow. This crater has all the classic features of a Mar volcano.
Mar volcanoes are formed by phreatic eruptions, which are known as the nuclear bombs of the natural world.
A Mar volcano occurs when shallow magma intrudes into an area that has a lot of groundwater. It creates an amazing amount of energy.
It vaporizes this water and it creates a steam explosion.
After the explosion, water fills into the bottom of the crater.
Sometimes you can get volcanic gases still seeping in, so you end up with this highly alkaline volcanic soup.
Over time, the ground around the crater dries out, concentrating the volcanic soup into a chemical sludge.
As that water evaporates, it concentrates it further until we get these large fields of crystals that form, which is what we see in the image.